Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M31. So on the front you can see the image of the phone with its name. So let's open the box. First of all, you can see this hidden lid with the SIM ejector tool placed at the back. And inside the lid we have documentations like a quick start guide, region lock guide and warranty card. Here we have this attractive smartphone Samsung Galaxy M31. At the back we have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup and fingerprint sensor. Also we have Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks very stylish in this mirror finish. Next we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transfer the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 15 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy M31 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.